Hyper flash. This is what happens when you change your stock turn signal light into LED or LED turn signal light. But there's a solution for this. All you need is to find a relay that works with your motorcycle model. But if your motorcycle has a non-LED or LED dash indicator light, you might need this diode kit. This diode kit will prevent your dash indicator light and turn signal light malfunction, unless your turn signal dash indicator light is already LED or equipped with LED bulb. But if it's not, this diode kit is a must to control a voltage load on your dash indicator light. In this DIY video, I would like to show you how to properly install the diode kit for this Yamaha V-Star 1100 Classic to fix the hyper flash and make the operation smooth. Okay. How to fix the dash flasher indicator light. Actually, there are two options. One is to install a diode kit, and the other one is to disable the dash flasher indicator light. And that is not an option for me. So I decided to start a DIY and find these wire collars. So instead of cutting or splicing wires underneath my fuel tank, I decided to cut the connection underneath my seat. In that way, if there's any problem with the wire connection, it is easy to pull. Just remove the seat and there you go, you can troubleshoot the wires. So I'm going to cut the green with the gold marker. And then the brown with a gold marker. And time to splice these wires for connections. Now this diode kit is ready, so I installed a shrinkable tube to cover the splice wire once it connected. So the blue wire of the diode kit goes to the green that close to the plastic connectors. And these two red wires from the diode kit will connect to the brown and green wire. So if you notice, the brown wire that close to the white plastic connector is not connected to the diode kit, but I will show you later why. And correction about the color, actually it's the green with a gold marker and the brown with a gold marker. So that's the red to brown with the gold marker, and now this is the red goes to the green with the gold marker. And now that the diode kit is connected, the blue goes to the green with a gold marker close to the plastic or white plastic connector, and the other end is the red, the two red color connects to the brown with gold marker and the green with gold marker. Now that the shrinkable tube is secure and tight, time to do the next step. And now if you guys thinking about the brown with the gold marker, where is this going to connect? So what I did is I cut the black with the gold marker wire and splice it and connect to the black with the gold marker. So the brown with the gold marker goes to the black with a gold marker, because actually they are the same negative connection. Because I need to hook this brown with the gold marker to a negative wire. That's why I choose the black with a marker or a gold marker for the negative connection. And that makes sense, right? Make sure to properly cover the wires. It's better if you use a shrinkable tube. It's much easier. And as you can see that the black with the gold marker wire that I cut, I hook up with the black wire that comes with the diode kit. And this black connector, I will connect it to the brown with the gold marker. And now that all the three shrinkable hose is in place, it's time to use a heat gun. And now that all the connection is in place, it's time to test the dash indicator light or the dash flasher indicator light. And it's working. No more hyper flash. So it means the DIY operation diode kit is a success. Now time to cover this with electrical tape. And let's try it again. I'm so happy. This DIY is so successful. So again, thanks for watching guys, and I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to hit that like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified once I upload a new DIY video. Soon, I'll be right back.